Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're off camping once again. It's the Australia Day long weekend, and I'm taking my two nephews, Bryce and Declan, in the back. So this is our annual trip, isn't it, boys? We head up there, we go up there for the Australia Day long weekend. This is number 9, so they started coming up when they were really small. Now they're poor university students. So guess who shouted us this weekend? Uncle Ed, yes. All right, guys, we're going to hit the road.
What are we doing?
This is Stratford, mate. First servo on the left.
I might buy some more drinks too.
Yeah, last minute supplies. I got some butter, some tomatoes, lettuce, bacon, some cheese. I got myself a Big M, and the boys got their last minute supplies as well. So Bryce, what did you get? Yeah, Bryce is happy. Declan, what did you get? They're happy they got the Canadian club for the weekend. All right, we're going to hit the road again and get into camp. All right, we'll see you there. Well, we're on McMillan's track right now. Just going to air down the tyres of the old camp bosses so we can head down to camp. Going to pop it into high range for a while because I'm on the tracks and I'm towing the camper, so it's a bit downhill. And when it gets a bit steep, we'll pop it into low range and save my brakes on the way down. So let's get these tyres there down, eh? Oh, look who's here. Hey. It's Ness from Ness Time Adventures. How are you?
The same thing, let down our tyres.
Yeah.
Ready for some tracks.
Okay, we made it to camp. The boys are all set and they're happy chappies right now. So they always get set up first. What do you got there?
Eating club.
Yeah.
Eating club.
And what's for dinner tonight? I forgot.
TV snacks and muesli bars. Muesli bars.
Yeah. Dinner of champions. See, I look after these boys. TV snacks and muesli bars for dinner. Well, I've just got to set up my camp now that they're all settled in and ready to go. That'll take me a little bit longer. And I'll probably have chips and bourbon for tea. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Well, the boys are up and out of bed after being little sausage rolls in the swags in the sun. So they're happy. They had a good night. And now they're doing their own brekkie. Well, sort of. What are you burning for breakfast?
Hash browns.
And?
Eggs.
And?
Bacon.
Oh, look at that. Better them than me, I'm just having my porridge. Alright guys, that's them for brekkie. We had a good night. Alright. So we had a nice relaxing day at camp today. The boys had their brekkie, so they were pretty happy with that. They went down the river, had a bit of a swim. It's really flowing fast this year. It's quite full actually. It's the fullest we've seen it for a while. I had old mate up here and he said it's the fullest he's seen it in 20 years. So it really says something for the rains that we've had in Victoria. So tonight we're doing a roast pork using Ozspit and the King's fire pit. Mate over there, he's going to be doing the roast potatoes on the fire pit as well. So I'll just give you a quick look at the charcoal getting ready to go, and then we'll get the pork on the Ozspit and get that spinning. All right, so let's have a look at that fire pit happening. It's going to take a while for the charcoal to heat up and all the rest of it, so give it about half an hour or so. She'll be ready to go. All right, before you ask, I've sanitized my hands. This has been sanitized, so we're going to put the roast pork on the spit. So basically it's been out, it's salted, it's ready to go. It's at room temperature at the moment. I would have liked to dry it out like you would do at home in the fridge or something like that, but it is what it is when you go camping. So we're just going to insert this into the meat and put the prongs in there and get started. So here we go. Beautiful. Lovely jubbly. One prong in there. Now these are my brand new prongs. Mate of mine picked them up from Ozspit for me, so which is pretty cool. So I'll just put this one on, spike the meat, and we're ready to go. You really can't go wrong with these Ozspits, they work a treat. Now I've got my EC therm, which is a meat thermometer, so I'm going to stick that in here as well, and that'll give me the internal temperature of the meat, so we're right to go. So from here, I'll put this in here, and we'll put it on the Ozspit and get it cooking. All right, so let's get stuck in, eh? All right, in she goes, into the thickest part of the meat, and it's ready to go. Look at that, beautiful. All right, let's go over to that barbecue and get that done. I'll just give my hands a bit of a clean, because, you know, hygiene and all that sort of thing. Can't kill your mates, because it's not a good thing if you kill your mates when you go out camping. All right, so let's get this on the fire pit. Okay guys, let's get this on and get it start cooking, eh? All right, here we go. Now the advantage of using a fire pit rather than an open fire for us here is that we can move the pit towards the meat. Man, that is hot. Right, so we'll put the motor on, we're right to go. Sorry for making this look a bit awkward, but it is what it is. We'll raise it up a little bit, and we'll get that crackling happening. And she's right to go, so we'll turn her on. We'll switch at the back here. We're cooking. We're cooking. Right, so we're doing a pork. So pressing a little piggy. It's a loin, chopped ham, rib, belly. We'll go loin because that's what it is. Do we want it well done, medium well, or medium? I think I'll go medium well. Put it on there, and then we'll start cooking. Start cook, push the button. That'll do me nicely. Whatever that says. That's cooking. Cool. So the internal temperature is 0, which seems about right because I just took it out of the fridge. Because I can't leave it outside because the flies might get it before we do. All right, so let's start cooking, and it's cooking. All right, here we go. All right, guys, the pork's on and it's cooking up just a treat right now. So I just thought I'd give you a shot. Toby's there.
G'day, mate. How are you?
Toby, how are you?
Oh, I'm fantastic.
What do you reckon of my new awning walls? Are they good?
Oh, where are they from, Ed?
Shady Gear in Queensland.
Oh, they look the treat.
Do they?
Yeah, they look the part.
You like that, do you?
Yeah, it's not bad.
That's good, mate.
Yeah, I know.
You impressed?
Oh, I should buy 2 of them, I reckon.
You should buy 2.
I reckon.
Yeah.
I'll leave you with it, Ed.
I'll try again.
Like you're busy,
Now what you do is you stand in the background and wave.
Yeah.
Because it's like real natural.
Yeah, that's what everyone does.
Yeah. Here we go. I'm going to go again. You ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, we're going to pull your dacks down.
Jeez, the moon's a bit bright today.
Yeah, that's it. Very good.
You just throw me right off now. Okay, that's basically done. All I've got to do is get it off the spit there and carve it up, and it's ready for dinner tonight. Looking forward to this one. A lot of people are. All right. Pork's done. We're going to give it a bit of a rest now, and I'm going to hand it over to my mate Peter, and he's going to be doing the carving. Look at them, like a bunch of seagulls.
Want shoe flyers?
Everybody's been looking forward to this all day.
No, that's right.
That's actually turned out really well.
We put the
Pleasantly surprised.
juices out of the. Yep, the resting. It's gone in with the rest of the gravy. So.
Is that right, Chef Mike?
I had to do something.
You just go on, go for it, Mike. Grab a bit. If you don't, you'll be spewing. Go on. You've been waiting all day for it.
Well, you got to bust that up 7 ways.
What?
The crackle.
You can't eat it all on your own, mate. You've got to share. Potatoes, pork, a little bit of crackling, and what do we got in a big brown pot there? What's that?
Oh, that'd be gravy. Yeah?
That'd be gravy, would it? No vegetarians here, sorry. Oh, we're going to get stuck in and have dinner. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.